Bishul of liquids. Rav Vosner is medayek that water is not considered fully cooked until boiling point, which means Yad Tzli display is not sufficient. Rav Moshe Feinstein argues and says Yad Tzli display is enough. The nafkamina between these two shitas is a hot water urn that has a glass vial to determine the water level. The water in the vial does reach Yad Tzli display but does not reach boiling point. Therefore, according to Rav Moshe, it's mutter, and according to Rav Vosner, it would be Achar. Bishul, Achar, Tzli. There are three main categories of cooking. Bishul is boiling in water, Tzli is roasting over an open fire, and Afiah is baking in an oven. Deep frying is considered Bishul, however shallow frying is considered Tzli. Then there's Tzli Kedar, which is dry food that was roasted and then its own gravy came out during the cooking process. The Chazon Ish considers it Bishul. Is the change from Bishul to Tzli or vice versa considered significant enough to be Asr? The first shita in the Mechaber, the Re'im, holds that Bishul Achar Afiah is Asr. The second shita in the Mechaber, which is the Ravya, holds that there's no Bishul Achar Afiah. The Pri Megadim holds there is no Bishul Achar Afiah Achar Bishul. The Be'er Halacha, however, holds there is. The Mechaber says it's mutter to heat cooked food next to the fire. However, the Be'er Halacha asks, according to the Re'im, isn't this Tzli Achar Bishul? The Chazon Ish answers the Re'im only says Tzli Achar Bishul when there's a taste of roasting. And since heating something next to the fire does not give it the taste of roasting, that's why it's mutter. Bottom line, halacha l'maisa, according to the Svardim, it's a machlokes whether Bishul Achar Tzli or Tzli Achar Bishul is asur or mutter. The Ashkenazim hold it's asur, but if it's done, it's mutter b'diavad.